Hello there and welcome. This is Bob Proctor. I got good news for you. I got good news and bad news. The good news is that you can get a handsome discount on our next Paradigm Shift event in Los Angeles. I don't care whether you're coming live, you're buying a table, or if we're streaming it to you in Yokohama. We stream all over the world, or you can come live to the hotel. You're going to get a very, very respectable discount by registering before April 15th. Now mark it down, April 15th. We'll give you a big discount. You can save some money. The Paradigm Shift is a life-changing event. People from all over the world attend it. Get in there, register right now. Click the button, get registered early. You'll be glad you did. And I'll see you there.
Check us out at ProctorGallagherInstitute.com for tips, tools, and resources.